Stop scrolling. Before you even think about buying another mini drone for the holidays, you need to hear this. For years, the sub-250-gram drone market has been dominated by one name. But DJI just quietly dropped a bombshell that will shake the industry to its core: the DJI Neo 2. This isn't just an update, it's the most advanced, most intelligent sub-250-gram drone ever built. We've managed to get our hands on the official specs, decoded the Chinese launch, and pieced together the shocking truth about its LiDAR obstacle avoidance, its dual-axis gimbal, and the major question on every US pilot's mind. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. When will this beast actually land stateside? If you want professional-grade aerial footage, unrivaled safety, and a drone that fits in your pocket, stay with me for the next 30 minutes. The truth about the Neo 2 is about to be unveiled, and it's going to make every other mini drone look obsolete. The sub-250G supremacy and Neo's identity. Why does the Neo 2 matter so much? Because of its weight. At just 151 grams, it slides comfortably under the FAA's 250-gram registration threshold in the US. This single fact makes it the ultimate traveler, the ultimate beginner drone, and the ultimate worry-free flyer. The original Neo pioneered the concept of a protected, beginner-friendly selfie drone. But it was limited. It had a single-axis gimbal, basic sensors, and average video specs. The Neo 2, however, is a direct response to every single one of those limitations. DJI didn't just refine the formula. They poured flagship technology into a tiny body, creating a product that targets everyone from the absolute beginner to the seasoned vlogger who demands portability. The dual-axis camera revolution. Let's talk about the biggest, most crucial upgrade, the gimbal. The original Neo suffered from a single-axis setup that relied heavily on digital stabilization, leading to shaky footage in windier conditions. The Neo 2 finally upgrades to a dual-axis mechanical gimbal. This is monumental. It means true physical pitch and roll stability, giving you footage that looks smooth, cinematic, and professional, even when the drone is flying aggressively. Paired with DJI's excellent rock-steady electronic stabilization, you're getting near-mini pro quality in a drone that's a third of the size. And the camera itself? It features a half-an-inch 12MP CMOS sensor. While some rumors pointed to a larger sensor, the key here is the improved processing. The Neo 2 now shoots 4K at 60 frames per second and even 4K at 100 frames per second for incredibly detailed slow motion. Plus, it can shoot 2.7K vertical video natively, tailor-made for TikTok and Instagram Reels. With 49 gigabytes of internal storage and D-Log M color profiles rumored, this tiny flyer is now a legitimate tool for content creators. The safety leap, LiDAR obstacle avoidance. This is the feature that changes everything for the beginner pilot: omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. In a sub-250G drone, this is virtually unheard of. The Neo 2 is rumored to feature a combination of an Omni-Way monocular vision system and a forward-facing LiDAR sensor. LiDAR is the same technology used in the most expensive drones and even new cars. What does it mean for you? A 360-degree awareness bubble around the drone. It can accurately detect and avoid obstacles when tracking you from the front or the sides. Imagine tracking yourself cycling or skiing without